natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We remain in positive MACD. We're off of overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD and approaching back to overbought condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we see the same action, positive MACD, and slightly off of overbought condition. With the RSI, we bounce right off the 18-day moving average, this purple line, and that is currently around a price of $6.92. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry is at $22.32. My sell target is at $25.67. My stop loss is at $21.72. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $27.68, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $22.99, and my stop loss is at $29.91. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 11%. To the downside, it has a 25% chance to fall between 0 to negative 11%, and a 50% chance to fall between negative 11 to negative 21%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.